Hi everyone, I'm Anand. I'm a senior AI engineer, and this is my creation, DataHub Aegis. Enterprise analytics rarely fail because an LLM cannot write a select statement. They fail because business metadata is private, schemas change, and yesterday's correct SQL becomes tomorrow's production incident. I built DataHub Aegis to solve that entire life cycle. Aegis is a self-healing data agent powered by DataHub's context graph, the agent context kit, LangGraph, and PostgreSQL. It generates governed SQL, verifies it against the live database, and continues protecting it after generation. But Aegis is autonomous, not unrestricted. A destructive request, such as deleting products, is blocked deterministically before it ever reaches the database. Now I'll request 10 products with their ID, name, and list price and save the query for drift monitoring. Aegis retrieves authoritative DataHub context, generates schema-qualified SQL, applies its read-only policy, and validates the query using PostgreSQL explain before execution. This is not an unverified model response. We have a confidence score, explain and execution timings, real result rows, DataHub provenance, and a decision receipt showing the context, operations, and assets used. The protected badge confirms that Aegis is now responsible for this SQL. The protected query currently depends on production.product.listPrice. Now, I'll simulate an upstream schema migration by physically renaming that PostgreSQL column to catalog price. The changed schema is re-ingested into DataHub and delivered through Aegis's MCL webhook boundary, the same event boundary a production DataHub stream would use. There is no manually configured field mapping telling Aegis how to repair the query. Aegis compares the previous and current schema, identifies the probable rename, and traces the affected protected query. The original SQL now fails live validation. LangGraph retrieves the current DataHub schema and generates a candidate repair. But that repair is not accepted simply because an LLM proposed it. Aegis reruns the safety policy, PostgreSQL explain, and bounded read-only execution. Only after every check passes does it update the protected SQL. Here is the auditable proof: the schema change, blast radius, before and after SQL, verification stages, and successful write-back. DataHub Aegis turns metadata into an active reliability system. Generate, verify, monitor, and self-heal.